This is one of the best Saiyan armor figures out there. What I really like about this figure is the fact that the pads or the shoulder pads here, they have a different articulation than the Raditz or the Nappa, which here, let me bring a Nappa here, but let me put this aside. The Nappa, sorry, it's kind of big, has a hinge that is in this area right here. And that's the only way you can move that shoulder pad. And honestly, it just doesn't look as great, or you don't have enough articulation to pose it. As compared to this guy, if you look behind it, the hinge is like in the area right here behind the armor, which gives you a lot of range for posing, rotation, you know, whatnot. See that right there. So I know that Broly, the armor has the same technology, or that has the same articulation. The problem is, well, there's no actually a problem. You can actually see the articulation, you know, as is, as compared to Turles or Tulece. I'm gonna call it Tulece now. It's hidden underneath the armor, but you know, Tamashii Nations was already messing around with that technology, or with that articulation, and they finally got it, and I'm quite happy with it. The accessories are great. You know, right now you see this one has the cross arm accessory, which is, by the way, quite easy to take it out, because I know the one from Jiren, it was really hard to get it out of the arms, and you have a tendency to break it. I saw a lot of people breaking their Jiren figures because it was just too tight. So as you can see, this is interesting. You can actually take them out. That's nice. I just found out you can have a different type of Turles if you want to. Let me see if I can put it back. Yep, it goes back on. Ooh, I thought I broke it, but nope, it went right in. So there's an option. Right, let's put back the arms now. So this peg goes here. So you just have to like push it, you know, gently. It's not going in. Or just try rotate it a little bit. There you go. It's now in. Same thing, just there you go, just snap back in. So there it is with the arms. Okay, let's go really quick with the articulation. Let me see, let's go through the arms. So you can actually do a T pose. We're about there, fairly high, so that's good. So you have bend on the arm, like right about here, this much, and put it on the light right there. Butterfly joint on this area here. Let me see. It's really good. It has a lot of range right about here, something that you didn't have with Raditz or Broly. The butterfly needs to flush back in to be able to get the shoulder pad to align with the armor. Just take that in mind. So bend on the knee, and then go all the way down the back, and can barely, you know, can't touch the back of it, but I mean, it has a good range. So the only downside from this figure is the fact that it has these 3 protections for the armor. Like if you open them like full, like you'll be able to move the legs just a little bit, but they'll just hit this little piece right here. Just be careful, because they tend to break. I know a lot of people with the Vegetas from the Saiyan saga, they break them. So just be careful with that. The head itself has a lot of range too. You can look up like that, and then look down all the way like this. And I've been repeating the same words over and over because I'm very surprised how much range this figure has. So for accessories, we have 3 faces. One where he's like, you know, biting his teeth. One with the tongue out. That's when he's about to bite that fruit from the tree of might. And the one where he's screaming, probably when he's gonna do his you know, his key blast. Just variations of an open hand. This one where you have a little plastic piece that will go in and will hold the key blast effect, which I'll show you pretty soon. So you have, again, the arm cross accessory, fairly easy to put in. I didn't have any problems. You saw it on the video. Again, this is the best one so far. Then we have the power effect, and a lot of people, I have a reel in my Instagram and I show it there, and a lot of people said that it looks like a Sonic the Hedgehog ring when he gets knocked out and rings just come out. So here's the effect. It's plastic, completely plastic. The lightning here is a little bit bendy, but don't push it too hard because you eventually will break it. The ring itself is hard plastic, transparent hard plastic. So yeah, be careful there. And you know, you have the different variations of this like little plastic piece. I just put the straight one because that's, you know, that's a given. I need to check on this one, the bendy one like that. Maybe it's for a different type of angle, but I just went with this one here, just straight one. And let me see if I can put it in on camera. So let me put it here. Then let's see if it goes in. Oh, it has also, this thing has a ball peg, so you can actually adjust it as well. So it's really nice. You won't break it. So yeah, that adjustment there. So there it is. Oh, I'm gonna put it. Let me pose him really quick. Actually, hold on a second. Let me bring someone here. Green fella actually gets obliterated by this effect. How about that? Let's do that. That looks like the movie right here. So this is hard plastic. I mean, no, it's all the way soft plastic, all the way, you know. And that shoulder pad goes in here, right about here. So it's pretty easy to install. And again, let me see. Let me focus this one here. So you just pull it. Easy to get. There you go. I like this double joint peg. It's so much nicer. I think movie Gohan from the Dragonball superhero has this, and it's so nice to just be able to pose it. I hope the next Goku or the next Vegeta will have that, because I hate those little what is it, like those little articulations that will break if you're not careful. This one, you will have that problem. So it goes right in like that. Very good. And then, you know what, let me just change the faces. So just be careful. Just pull it very nicely. And then let me get this one, the funny one, the one where he's, I don't know, about to lick something. It could be anything besides fruit, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I'll stop that. So there you go. Focus. Oh man, that looks so hilarious. And let's go here. How about that? There you go. I like this design. Again, he doesn't have enough space, but he still looks menacing like that. I want to try the other hand with the one with the fruit. It's right. So again, I just did it like that. I would, you know, suggest you guys, if you see a figure that has a small peg like this, even though it's a, you know, regional bandai Tamashii Nations figure, heat it up. Just use the hair dryer. There. And then go like this. There. That's a nice pose. Man, I don't even have to like work on any poses. He just looks good in any angle. So, all right. So let's get this head out. And there you go. So he's about to eat a snack here. You know what? Since we have a couple figures here, let's do a scale. So we have Broly from the movie. Let me focus this one. And then we have Nappa from the Saiyan arc. So that's about it. And let me see if I can find a Goku. You know what? No, I don't have a Goku, but I have a Vegeta. And let's see. Right there. And let me see if I can find Raditz. Here it is. I'm gonna have to move Nappa out of the way because he's too bulky. So I'll put him just here. And I'll put Raditz right there. Just Piccolo right here. Claiming for his life. This is Tulece from Super Saiyan, sorry, Dragonball Z, the Tree of Might. So I hope you guys like this quick review or you know, first look at this figure. Overall, it's an amazing figure. Definitely, if you're able to get it now, because this is a web exclusive figure, and if you don't get it on time, or if you didn't pre-order it, you're gonna pay a little bit above retail price. I think Big Bad Toys has it for like $125, but originally was like 80, 75. I need to take a look, but it was under $100. So get it now, you won't be disappointed. It's super good to have another Saiyan in the roster of, you know, SH Figuarts figures. Subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how I can improve this unboxings. Well, this wasn't an unboxing, but this is a toy review. This is my second one, so I hope, you know, through time I'll get better. And again, thank you guys. Bye.